You've got a package. So this is Razer Level Up Bundle that consists of three different products from Razer. Razer Cynosa Lite, which is a gaming keyboard. Then Razer Gigantus V2, which is a gaming mouse mat. And then we have our own favorite Viper Mini gaming mouse. So this is how the box looks. We have a Razer branding on the left, then again Razer branding on the right with information about the import. So import is June 2023 and the MRP is 11K. So yeah, that's it on the right side. We don't have anything on the bottom, and then on the top we have the package information. So what all things are included and the approximate size and weight of each product, then system requirements, and then who it's designed by. It says designed and engineered by Razer in California, though it would be made in China. So yeah, Razer Level Up Bundle, the serial number, and yeah, assembled in China. And then each product has its own serial number here, if you can see. So let's quickly unbox this and see what all things it includes. So and just open it up and you can see we have three different chambers here, and this would be for the mouse, this would be for the mouse mat, and then this finally, since it's looking large, would be for the keyboard. So let's start with the mouse mat. So this is Razer Gigantus V2. Let's open it up. So this is how it is. Size is quite big. This is my hand, and you can get a feel of how much big this mouse mat is. It's quite thick as well, so I guess the quality is too good, and you can see the stitching over here and on the back. Looks fine. Should be last long, and then yeah, this pattern looks good, and I guess it will help not move mouse much. So sorry, not the mouse mat move much on the table that you are putting. And let's move to the next component, that is our Viper Mini mouse. So this was a cardboard to put it in place, and yeah, we have Viper Mini here, Razer branding, and then the serial information. Let's open it up. So we have a small booklet here which I think consists of the instructions, and then we have one Razer sticker as well. Ooh, I like these small gifts, kinds of brings the child in you out, and like you will want it to put it on all the places. So yeah, this is the first impression of the mouse. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 button, and it's quite lightweight, right? And it's nylon braided and USB type A with a green color plastic in it. So yeah, it looks good. It's quite lightweight, and it has a breathing RGB as well. I guess once we connect it to the PC we'll get to know. So good form factor. You can use it with the right and left as well. I think it's ambidextrous. It's good. So Let's move to the next component, and last, I guess it's our favorite keyboard, Razer Cynosa Lite. So we again have an instruction booklet. Hope stickers are, oh nice. We have again stickers. Yes, we have 2 to 3 stickers in that. Razer Chroma RGB, Razer for gamers, by gamers. Will be looking forward to put it in my PC. And then we have a congratulation note from the CEO and co-founder. You can pause the video if you want to read all this. But for now, we'll move it across and bring out the keyboard that we have. So yes, there are one tape. Yeah, just remove that, and here you go. First look of Razer keyboard. So still a membrane keyboard, so you won't get that tactical feel when you use the mechanical mouse. And you don't have a braided cable, that's a disappointment. And but we have one USB type A protector here, and again the green USB type A port. So yeah, I'm not a fan of these cables now because it gets tangled easily, and then if it goes bad then you have to get it repaired, and these are easily damaged. So yeah, you can see the keyboard buttons, and we have all the normal lights here. Then Razer level up bundle, again information, and I have these small holes here. So these holes are basically kind of act as a drainage hole. So if you spill your coffee or water on this keyboard, these can be drained out from these ports so that your keyboard is not damaged in that process. So yeah, I think that's all we had. 3 different products from Razer. So these are the initial unboxing and initial views on the keyboard and mouse. So one thing I'll just forgot to mention about the features that is mentioned on these boxes for each of the products. So Cynosa Lite keyboard is powered by the Razer Chroma RGB, and it supports gaming grade keys and fully programmable keys. That's an interesting point here mentioned. So yeah, so we have good option of macros to be enabled on this keyboard. Then we have Gigantus V2. It's textured microwave cloth surface. So it's thick high density rubber foam that we already saw, and then it has anti-slip rubber base as well. It's good. And Viper Mini, 61 gram only. It's ultra lightweight, ambidextrous, and Razer optical mouse switch, and then Razer speed flex cable. All these are kind of marketing jargons, but I think I just wanted to show it so that I'm not missing or anything else which is mentioned I'm not uh, forgetting to inform you. Then it supports Razer Synapse 3, and then important, we have 2 years warranty on these. So when I bought it from Amazon, it was mentioned 1 year, but on the box it's mentioned 2 years. So anyways, I have not got a chance to get it replaced, but we'll see how this product goes. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks everyone.